在家组织活动的有用短语。
I need to plan a party at home. Can you help me with the guest list? We need to decide on the menu. I have to send out invitations. Can you help me decorate the house? We need to buy more food and drinks. I have to clean the house before the party. Can you help me set up the tables and chairs? We need to plan some games and activities. I have to make sure there is enough seating for everyone. Can you help me with the music playlist? We need to prepare some snacks. I have to make sure the house is ready for guests. Can you help me with the cleanup after the party? We need to plan a schedule for the event. I have to make sure there are enough supplies. Can you help me with the decorations? We need to decide on the theme for the party. I have to make sure everything is in place. Can you help me with the final preparations? Let's make a playlist. Can I get you a drink? The food is over there. I'm so glad everyone could make it.